Meaning of garrulously.
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 Garrulously. Garrulously is an adverb that describes someone who talks excessively, pointlessly, and often in a rambling or chatty manner. Such people tend to dominate conversations without allowing others to contribute, and may come across as self-absorbed or inconsiderate of others' time and attention. Their speech may lack focus or coherence, meandering from one topic to the next without clear transitions or organization. While some people may find garrulous individuals entertaining or engaging, others may become frustrated or annoyed by their inability to communicate effectively. Ultimately, being garrulous may hinder effective communication and damage relationships.